Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make hand warmers. So I'm starting off with a 5mm hook and then just some acrylic yarn. I'm making these to give out as random acts of kindness, so I wanted something quick and simple to make. I already made these ones and I did like a little vlog on it, so you can go watch that if you want. It really helped me out if you do watch it. Okay, so let's get started. So first, start off with slip knot. However you do your slip knots. And then this is very quick and simple. You just make 25 chains. So, well, that's how many I'm gonna make. You can make as many as you want to make. So 25 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23, 24, 25. And this will be the length that you would like. So, I don't know if you can see that. So that's the length. And then I'm gonna do half double crochets all the way down. So from the second chain from your hook, you make a half double crochet. So you make a half double crochet and then you just half double crochet all the way down. So all the way down the chain. Okay, so once you get to the end, you make your last half double crochet and then chain 1. Turn your work, and then we're gonna do a rib, the ribbed effect. So we're gonna make a half double crochet into the first stitch, but in the back loop only. So or not the first stitch, but the second stitch from the hook. And then we're just gonna do the back loop only for the remainder of this pattern, because we want the rib effect. So I'm just gonna go down the chain until you get to the end, chain 1 and repeat. I do a total of 19 rows, and that does include my chain, starting chain. So 18 rows plus the starting chain. And when I am finished, I will meet you back. So we're in the last one, and we're just gonna make our last half double crochet. Then we are going to turn it to this side, and we're going to join the other side to this side with a slip stitch. So slip stitch, slip stitch. Okay, I chain 1, and that's 1. So we're going to make the finger hole. So I'm going to do 5 stitches. We're going to make the finger hole. So I'm going to do 5 stitches down. So 1, 2, and we're gonna join with slip stitch. So 2. So you just insert your hook into that side, to one side, and then you insert your hook into the next side, and then slip stitch. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then to make the finger hole, we're just gonna make slip stitch into one side. So 1, we're gonna make 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and that will make the hole. And then in the next stitch, we're going to join them again. So insert your hook into the next, and then make a slip stitch. So, and now you could just go all the way down till you get to the end. And I will meet you back when I am finished. Okay, so you just make your last slip stitch. And then chain one. Slip stitch and then chain one. Pull through. You don't need that much. Pull through and then cut. So this is the inside, and we're just gonna turn the inside out. And now we have our fingerless gloves. Now you just weave in the end, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna weave in the end, and then I am going to decorate it. So